Let's try to look at ways of creating a folder on different platforms. You can create a folder on your desktop right here, or you can create a folder inside a folder like this folder. You can still create a folder inside there, or you can create a folder on another drive, for instance a flash disk, or on a hard disk. So what could be the right simple process of creating a folder? Before you create a folder, there are things that you have to understand very well. What are folders? What are files? When we talk of folders and files, we mean the combination of all these. The combination of these and these ones, the combination of the two are what we call icons in a computer language. Icons, these are like signposts that show you where to go. So we have this one is a folder in yellow. These are folders. Then these are files. These are files. All these are files. But when you combine the two, the combination of the two files and folders will get what we call icons. So these are what we call computer icons. These are what we call computer icons. Now, what is the difference between a file and a folder? The only difference between a file and a folder might not be the color, that folders are in yellow. Some folders might be represented in another color, but the difference is folders can keep files. Folders can keep files as many as you can. One folder can keep thousands of files. So that is one difference. But files cannot keep folders. The folders, these are like boxes which can keep papers. Now, if we have understood very well that folders can keep files, so how can we create a folder? Folders are very important, for instance, to children, students, and people who are going to send those files to different other people, or to students who are going to sit for their exams. They may prompt you to, or they may ask you to save your work in a particular folder and give it maybe your names. So let's start. You can just come onto your mouse, right click. When you right click, the computer system will prompt you with the drop down menu. The drop down menu will have items like view, sort by, refresh, paste, and others, up to down to personalization or personalize. When you reach there, what you do, we shall get just one item which is called new. Then new will also prompt you with another drop down menu. Another drop down menu will have folder, shortcuts, and other items, as you can see. Now, what do we need? We just need to get just this one folder. So when you say right click, new what? New folder. You right click in this space. Don't right click on a folder or a file. Just right click in space. Then here we shall say folder. Then the folder is already created, as you can see here. We have already got the folder is indicated with new folder. Then you can type in your name. You can type in your name. Let's say North 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 Bridge mm, Technologies. Northbridge Technologies. That's the name of our folder. So after you have created, you have put your name, then what can you do else? You just press enter onto your keyboard. So the folder is now already created. You can double click on it. When you double click on it, it will open, showing you its name. Now you can start drag. You can get files and place them there. You can get files and place them into your folder. Now the folder is fully created on our desktop with the name